Yo, what's good, producers? It's your boy Mikasa here from Certified Producer. This video, I'm about to show you how you can mix your kick and a rate. So I'm going to show you here with a real example. As you can see, I'll be making some beats here, and I just took a kick and a rate so that I can show you how you can do that. So I got kick pattern here. I'll let you hear it first. It's really simple. Okay, let's hear the 8/8 pattern. Is the same as the kick one. So I just followed. Okay, so with the kick, let's start first with the kick. So with the kick, I'll suggest you to aim like for the 6 dBs here. So as you can see, it's 3, and sometimes it's gonna be too much. You'll only hear the kick, which is not good. So let's aim for that, like a 6, between 6 and 9. It's not like that you have to do that. Of course, it depends on the kick. Each kick is a different, so play around that. But that's the like a main goal. We try to aim like a 9, 6 dBs. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna pull this kick. So I'm gonna find 6. Okay, it's working for me now. And what I'm going to do next is turn this into mono. So all the way like this. So kick and 8/8s are usually in mono, but sometimes you can hear that 8/8s are in stereo on the drill beats, and they are panned and stuff like that. But this time you're going to, it's like this in these trap beats. So now you can play with the EQ too. What you can do, so this kick is a little bit too sharp. What you can do is take this like, high frequencies and just do like this. So it's kind of deep, it's not sharp anymore. So this is the difference. We can do this, we can do this. Me personally, I like when this sounds like this one. So we're going to use this part, this EQ, and just I'm going to pull it, turn the volume a little bit more. Okay, perfect. About 8/8, let's hear it. Let's turn here. That goes same for the 8/8. Let's aim like a 9. And now it's always the best way to learn this is to practice, play around, see how this sounds on a mobile phone. And I'm going to show you some cool tip that your 8/8 can sound really good on your phone. So the first thing that everyone is doing is sidechain, kick, and 8/8. Why should you do that? Sometimes because when the kick hits, kick and 8/8s are lower frequencies, and they sometimes clash. That's why we're going to use a limiter here to sidechain. Okay, let's use limiter. It's Fruity Limiter. It's stock plugin. So go to this compression mode. Right click here. Oh, sorry. The first thing you're gonna do is click on your kick and right click here, sidechain to this track on the 8/8. It's really simple. Let's open a limiter. So now we can see the waves. Okay, and now right click here. It should be your name of the kick. So now what I'm going to do now is pull down the threshold here and a little bit knee. So now when the kick hits, you will see the wave. So this part here is when the kick hits and it's shutting down the 8/8. So now kick has more power than 8/8, but they are not clashing anymore. So you can see, for example, if you go like this, but it's too much for me. Now you can play with the ratio a little bit. Sounds perfect. You can also do this for the 808. You can turn it in the mono. Now just depends on the 808. Now we need to push it a little bit. Now what you can do is open EQ. You're going to use EQ2 stock plugin, and now you can boost some of these low middle frequencies. Why? Because these frequencies can be heard on your phone. So let's hear the difference. And if you push them a little bit, there is a big chance to your 808 can be easily heard on your phone. But sometimes this even can help if you are using like a sub bass like you cannot hear it on the phone. Sometimes depends on the sub bass, but this trick you can use this EQ2, push it a little bit, and you're going to see the difference. So now let's hear with the loop. I got this loop because this is switch beat, so I got this loop for this one. Let's hear how this sounds. Let's hear with everything. Sorry. Sounds fire. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. You can always hit me up on Discord, somewhere in the membership, whatever. I'm always here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.